Hello dear student, I am Varun Nishad from LPM school. In this video, we are discussed about the colloids. Colloids is a types of mixture in which the types of mixture in which the dispersed phase is remain dispersed in dispersion medium. Is called colloidal mixture. Colloidal mixture. So colloidal mixture are types of mixture in which the dispersed phase we are discussing in detail remain dispersed, not mixed properly, remain dispersed in dispersion medium is called colloidal mixture. For example, paint, blood, milk, fat, these are the example of colloid. So these are types of mixture in which, suppose you take the example of solution, and the solution is made up from two parts, that is solute plus solvent. Similarly, solution is a type of mixture, but in case of colloid, dispersed phase or act as solute. The solute or termed as in case of colloid, that is dispersed phase, in which on the place of solvent we use the term that is dispersion medium. Dispersion medium. So solution made up from two parts, that is solute and solvent. Colloid, that is made up from two parts, that is similarly these are act as solute and solvent, but term special in case of colloid, that is dispersed phase and dispersion medium. One more thing about the dispersed phase. Dispersed phase are present in a mixture in a very less quantity, that is present in a dispersed phase present in a very lesser quantity. So colloidal solution are consist of two phases, that is dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Now dispersed phase. Dispersed phase is a part of colloidal mixture, which it is a part of colloidal mixture which present in a smaller quantity, smaller proportion. Present in smaller proportion. proportion and their size is range between 10 raised to the power minus 9 to 10 raised to the power minus 6 and dispersed phase, not dispersion medium. Dispersion medium. Dispersion medium. Now it is a component. It is a component of colloidal mixture. Colloidal mixture is present in excess amount, which act as medium for dispersed phase. For example, sulfur mixed in water. Sulfur mixed in water. For example, sulfur mixed in water, it remain dispersed in water. Means sulfur is dispersed phase and water is dispersion medium. So in this way we can understand that in the colloidal mixture which is dispersed phase and which is dispersion medium. So dispersed phase is present in smaller proportion and their size are range between 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 9 to 10 to the power minus 6, and dispersion medium is which part of the components of colloidal mixture that present in excess amount and it act as medium for dispersed phase. ये dispersed phase के लिए medium provide कराता है. For example, sulfur mixed in water, it remain dispersed in water. Means sulfur is dispersed phase and water is dispersion medium, and they are made colloidal solution. So now take the sum. So mixture of colloidal solution, mixture of colloidal solution is colloidal mixture of colloid are called as salt, but the water colloidal solution in water, colloidal solution in water is called as hydrosol. Colloidal solution in water is called as hydrosol, and colloidal solution in benzene is called as benzosol. Similarly, colloidal solution in air is called as aerosol. So in this way there is an example of sol and benzosol and aerosol. It depends on dispersion medium. The different types of sol are named that depend on the dispersion medium which present in the excess amount of the colloidal mixture. For example, aerosol का example है foam for fire extinguisher, foam cloud mist, means liquid plus air. Liquid is dispersed phase and air is dispersion medium. For example, mist, cloud, fog, etc. Benzosol. Medicine are dissolved or mixed in benzene. Hydrosol, sulfur mixed in water. So in this way we can understand about the salt of, for example, hydrosol, benzosol and aerosol. Another video we will discuss in the next, that is properties of colloidal solution. In the properties of colloidal solution we know that different type of aspect, that is filtrability, heterogeneity, visibility, sedimentation, diffusion, Brownian moment, and especially Tyndall effect.